무서운데. 이거 갖다 왜?
This is a cordless robotic pool vacuum designed for convenient hands-free pool cleaning. It's an upgraded model made for in-ground pools up to 2,100 square feet, and it handles floor, wall, and waterline cleaning in one unit. What stands out right away is the cordless design. There's no hose or cable to deal with, so setup is simple. You just place it in the pool, and it gets to work using smart navigation to move efficiently across different surfaces. It climbs walls, follows along the waterline, and covers the pool floor with smooth, consistent movement. The runtime is up to 180 minutes, which is helpful for larger pools or full cleaning cycles without interruptions. It's designed to pick up everyday debris like dirt, sand, and leaves, helping keep the pool looking clean with less manual effort. I also like how easy it is to remove from the pool once it's done. Overall, if you're looking for a cordless robotic pool cleaner that offers full coverage and long runtime for an in-ground pool, this pool vacuum is a practical and modern cleaning solution.